Okay, so we're going to get the Nooie Doorbell cam all set up and connected. So I'm going to move the chime out of the way. First thing you need to do, make sure you charge the battery fully. When you plug it into USB-C, the light will be red while it's charging, turns blue once it's fully charged, and then you know you are good to go. And so then you can insert it into the back of this. We're going to slide it into the grooves at the top there, and then click it down to place in the bottom, and there you go. Now you know that it is ready to go. So I'm going to set that here, and now next thing you need to do is install your Nooie app, and this is it on the Google Play Store. Now there is the Nooie Cam app, but you don't want the Nooie Cam app, you want the Nooie app. It's the newer app, and it's the one that supports the doorbell. And there is a QR code in the manual to the app on Google Play as well as Apple App Store. And you're going to open it up. I already have an account. If you don't, then first you'll be presented with information. You need to create an account. But I've already done that. So now I'm just going to click the plus sign at the top to add a camera. I'm going to click add camera. And it's going to ask me which camera. And of course I'm going to choose the Nooie Cam doorbell. And it's going to tell me to make sure everything is charged. That's already done, so I'm going to hit next. And then it's going to tell me to plug in the base station and wait till the LED indicator flashes blue, twice per second. So I'm now going to plug that in. Oops. Go. So I have that plugged in. And now it's solid blue. I'm going to wait until it flashes blue twice per second. When it flashes blue twice per second, then I'll know we're ready for the next part. So now that it is flashing, I'm going to click that, and it's going to ask me to enter my password information for my Wi-Fi. So I will do that. And once it's entered, then you click next. And then it wants to connect your phone to the Nooie hotspot. So you go to connect, and you're going to look for the Nooie hotspot. And you'll see it shows up there. So I'm going to select that to click that. And it will connect to Nooie. And your phone will tell you the internet's not available. That's okay. You want to stay connected, because that is how the phone connects to the Nooie in order to send information over to it, the information it needs to connect to the internet. So now you can see it's going to go through the process of attempting to connect to the doorbell to send the information over. And there you go. Now it says, please press the button once. So press the button once. Click next when you see the base station LED flashes blue once per second. And that's what it's doing now. It's flashing once per second, or slow flash would be about what I would say. And I'm going to click next. And then it's telling you to insert the doorbell battery and press the reset button once. Well, I've already inserted the battery, so now I need to use the little pin and press the reset button. So I'll try this again. Press the pin. So it'll flash blue, but then turn to white once it's paired. There we go. It looks like it's white now. So that should mean it's good. So I'm going to click done. And that's it. Congratulations, you finished the pairing process. Take the products out for a spin. So basically now you are ready. You will test it out. Gives you information on mounting the doorbell. And you can give it a name. I'm going to name mine Gate. So I'm going to put it by the gate. And I'm going to click Save. There's a firmware update, so I'm going to go ahead and update the firmware to get the latest firmware, and then we should be good to go. Now once you've connected, you're going to see now I have the gate doorbell listed in my cameras. If I click that, I can go to live, get live view, and you can see a very flattering 2K view of me, and you can see you can record. I'll demo all this later in the review and demo video, but you can see that it's all there. You can also test by ringing. And you can see how that shows up on my phone. So I can either reject it, I can send a quick response, or I can answer. And you can talk back and forth. And you can hang up is what they call it. But you can see that's now everything is set up. Everything is connected. So now you just need to get it mounted, figure out where you want it to go to get the best view, and you're good to go.